14 kilometers away from the glaciers, but we're starting to get peeks into the amazing ice formations up here. Unfortunately, we're stuck behind several buses and cannot go any faster.
Wow, check out that glacier. Unbelievable.
These buses shuttle passengers from the parking lot up to the viewpoint for the glacier. This is an amazing walkway they've built over here for us. It takes you all the way from the top down to the almost to the bottom of the glacier, I think. So we're gonna have a good view of everything. And look at those rivers of ice coming down. Unbelievable. Okay, here comes Brian. We're gonna go down to the secondo balcony and take a look down here first and then return and go over here.
Must.
Yeah, must visit. Yep. Thank you.
Beautiful down here, isn't it?
It really is.
Amazing.
We are now going to enter Punta Walichu, which is a park where they found some amazing petroglyphs. And as you can see, the rock formations here are quite amazing already. There's caves and about a 45-minute walk that you can go on.